Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Maui Jim Nose Pads is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining the comfort and integrity of your favorite sunglasses, ensuring they stay perfectly perched on your face during all your adventures, from sunny beach days to challenging hikes, and replacing them is a simple yet effective way to breathe new life into a beloved pair. Number 5. Oval Silicone Eyeglasses Nose Pads 15mm. Are your eyeglasses nose pads worn out or lost? It's time for a fresh start with our high-quality replacements. These oval-shaped pads are crafted from soft silicone for ultimate comfort. They provide a gentle cushion for your nose, ensuring a comfortable fit all day long. Installation is a breeze with our easy push-in design. Simply slide them into place, no screws or tools needed. Featuring a durable hard plastic push-in piece, these pads stay securely attached. You won't have to worry about them slipping or falling out. Measuring 15mm in length and 8mm in width, these are designed to fit many popular eyeglass frames. Please measure your existing frames to ensure the perfect fit. These versatile nose pads are compatible with a wide range of eyeglasses, including popular brands like Oakley and Maui Jim. Give your favorite frames a new lease on life. What we like? These offer a secure fit with their oval shape and hard plastic push-in piece. If you need a reliable replacement that won't easily fall out, especially for larger frames, these are a great choice. They are designed for easy installation without screws, making them convenient for everyday use. What people say? These nose pads fit perfectly on my Maui Jim sunglasses. They are comfortable and do not slip, even when I'm sweating. The replacement process was very easy and took only a few minutes. Number 4. Eyeglass Replacement Silicone Nose Pads. Tired of uncomfortable glasses? Discover our premium replacement nose pads, designed for a snug and comfortable fit. These 11mm square silicone pads are a perfect fit for brands like Costa and Maui, and many more. Installation is a breeze with our convenient push-in and slide-in design. No tools or screws are needed. Crafted from soft, premium-grade silicone, they provide all-day comfort, no matter the occasion. Ensure the perfect fit by measuring your current glass size before purchasing. These measure 11mm x 6.5mm. Give your eyeglasses and sunglasses a new lease on life with these essential replacements. What we like? Experience superior comfort with these square, premium soft silicone pads. If you're looking for a snug and comfortable fit for smaller frames, particularly metal ones, these are ideal. They provide a comfortable feel for any event or occasion, ensuring your glasses stay put without discomfort. What people say? The Maui Jim Nose Pads are a perfect fit for my sunglasses, restoring them to their original condition. These replacement nose pads are exactly like the originals, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit. Easy to install, these genuine Maui Jim Nose Pads make my sunglasses feel brand new again. Number 3. BLAZERBUCK Replacement Nose Pads for Oakley Flak 2.0 Sunglasses. Are your Oakley Flak 2.0 sunglasses worn out? Bring them back to life with our premium replacement nose pads. Designed for a precise fit, these nose pads ensure your sunglasses stay comfortable all day long. Enjoy a secure and stable feel. Crafted from high-quality materials, our nose pieces are built to last. They offer excellent durability for extended use. Replacing your old nose pads is simple and quick. You'll have your sunglasses feeling new again in no time. These replacements are compatible with Oakley Flak 2.0, Flak 2.0 XL, Flak 2.0 Asian Fit, Flak XS, and Flak XXS models. Get the perfect fit for your specific sunglasses. Trust BLAZERBUCK for quality accessories. We are committed to providing you with the best solutions for your eyewear needs. What we like? These are specifically engineered for a perfect fit on various Oakley Flak models, including Asian Fit versions. If you own Oakley Flak 2.0 or similar styles and need a precise replacement, these are your best bet. They ensure your sunglasses sit correctly and comfortably, maintaining their original performance. What people say? These nose pads fit perfectly on my Maui Jim sunglasses. They are a great replacement for the original nose pads and feel just as comfortable. Number 2. Sunglasses nose pads 15.5 millimeters, 2 pairs. Are your glasses uncomfortable or slipping? Discover a simple solution to enhance your wearing experience. These are designed to make your eyewear feel great. These push-in nose pads are designed for a secure and easy installation. Simply press them firmly into place, no tools required, for a snug fit. Crafted from super soft, flexible, and hypoallergenic silicone, they offer exceptional comfort and are safe for your skin. Enjoy a comfortable fit all day long. These replacements are specifically designed to fit certain Oakley and Ballon glasses and sunglasses. Please check the dimensions to ensure compatibility. Installation is straightforward, just gently push them in. Once installed, they provide a strong and durable hold, ensuring your glasses stay in place. Each package includes 2 pairs of these essential replacements. You'll have plenty to keep your favorite eyewear comfortable and secure. What we like? Enjoy enhanced comfort and stability with these anti-slip, hypoallergenic silicone pads. If you experience pain or discomfort from your current nose pads, or need a secure grip, these are an excellent option. Their ergonomic design ensures they sit well and feel great, making them suitable for extended wear. What people say? These nose pads fit perfectly on my Maui Jim sunglasses, just like the original ones. They are comfortable and don't slip, even when I'm sweating. The replacement process was very easy and took only a few minutes. Number 1. IMPRESA Slip-On Silicone Sunglass Nose Pads. Are your sunglasses constantly sliding down your nose? It can be frustrating when you're trying to enjoy the outdoors or stay focused on your activity. These slip-on nose pads offer a simple solution for a more secure fit. They are designed for easy installation, providing instant comfort and stability. Made from soft silicone, they enhance comfort and prevent irritation. You'll barely notice they're there, ensuring a pleasant wearing experience all day long. Specifically designed to be compatible with popular brands like Maui Jim Sport and Martini Sport shades. They provide a universal fit for many athletic sunglass frames. Each pack includes 2 pairs, ensuring you have a backup. Reclaim the comfort and security of your favorite sunglasses with this essential accessory. What we like? These offer an incredibly easy, tool-free installation with their slip-on design. If you prioritize convenience and quick replacements, especially for athletic or sports-style sunglasses, these are perfect. They are compatible with specific Maui Jim models and provide a universal fit for many athletic frames, ensuring a secure and comfortable wear. What people say? These nose pads are a perfect fit for my Maui Jim sunglasses. They are comfortable and stay in place even during strenuous activity. The quality of the material is excellent and they are very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.